Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our Just Chemistry YouTube channel. Here we are starting a crash course for those students who are 12th chemistry in 12th class, especially for CBSE students who are having term 2 examinations next in upcoming months. So they are thinking about it so much. So I guess to help them students who are having no coaching classes and other school classes also. So we are planning out for those students who are having needy and poor students, and or for those students also who are not satisfied with their teacher and they don't understand chemistry carefully and they are not scoring good marks in chemistry, especially in term 1 examination, because which one was objective completely. So we are thinking to plan out for those students to help them. We are having a plan for those students. So for term 2nd examination, so we can see here what is the timetable and syllabus for this term 2nd examination for chemistry. As we all know, chemistry is divided into three parts, which one is organic, inorganic, and physical chemistry. So, in these branches of chemistry, we are having 7 chapters in your term 2 examination. Term 2 examinations is completely on descriptive basis. So, you need to think right, obviously, because in your term 1 examination you have their MCQ questions are there, then you are again your method is changed and you are supposed to write, okay, in pen and paper, right? So let's start our classes. So we are having 7 chapters in chemistry. So first chapter is your aldehyde, and ketone. Okay, aldehyde and ketone. Second chapter is amines. Okay, second chapter is amines. These two chapters are related to your organic chemistry. These chapters are related to your organic chemistry. Okay, organic chemistry. Only these chapters are related to your organic chemistry. Okay, fine. Next chapter is chapter number 3rd, which one is electrochemistry. Electrochemistry. And chapter 4th is chemical kinetics. Okay, chapter 4th is chemical kinetics, and chapter 5 is surface chemistry. Surface chemistry. ठीक है, then these chapters are related to your physical chemistry. Physical chemistry. Okay, and these are 5 chapters. We are having 2 chapters also, which is related to your inorganic chemistry. Which one is? Have we seen? Chapter number 6 is coordination. Coordination chemistry, which is related to your D block elements, which one they are shown and the complex compounds, right? And last chapter is, if it is visible for you, it is visible? No? Then we will write here chapter number 7. Which one is D and F law? Okay. Here we will discuss in depth. All the topics are discussed in depth. We are launching this course. Name of this course is crash course, but we are doing it very well in all the aspects of every topics. So let's we will meet in next class, which one is started from tomorrow. So let's begin. Okay. Thank you.